Diwali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated with religious fervor in the state. Diwali and Ningol Chakoba suffers strong Kwairamban Kaithil. Police seized 1,230 Lagao gambling dices from the festival fevers gamblers in Imphal West district alone. Lok Sabha MP Thokchom Mainya hints delay in finalization of Indo-Naga framework agreement. Federations of Haumi Hauleipak Manipur demands revocation of Manipur People's Bill 2018. And Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union commemorates the Great Bolsheviks October Revolution at Manipur Press Club today. A very good evening to you all and welcome to Impact News. Impact News wishes all our viewers a very happy Diwali, and you are watching Primetime English News. I'm Colonel Sambanduram bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Well, to begin with the top story, people today celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights with traditional and religious fervors in the state. They decorated their houses with lights and flowers to welcome the goddess Lakshmi. The festival also symbolized the victory of good over evil. Despite the ban imposed by the government on the sale and the bursting of firecrackers during the celebration of the festival, people burst firecrackers in several areas of Imphal city. Like in the past, police beefed up the security measures ahead of the festival to prevent untoward incidents. People shopping for Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals throng Kwairamban Kaithil, a one-stop market for all the festive commodities. Shoppers coming from the different parts of the state were found busy buying Diwali and Ningol Chakoba gifts in every nook and corner of the market today. Impact News also come across a hazard parking of vehicles in and around the market, causing much inconveniences for commuters. Imphal West Police and the Traffic Police were trying their best to control the traffic and prevent thieves or any unwanted incidents. The police even used loudspeakers to warn the marketers from the petty thieves. Officials of the Weight and Measuring Department were also found keeping a strict eye on the market vendors to make sure that only standardized and authorized weight and measuring scales were utilized.
अखोइना हाइजरिबा लौजरिबा खुदिमा से प्रजा मिपुम खुदिमंगना लोइनम खंगब वाफमनी बाजार दा पोट लैबा लाप मतमदा इसा इसाना तोंगलकलिबा गाड़ी सिंग असे मफम चाब मफम हाइबदी पोट लै लाकदो जे आई तोमद नतियब आई अपाम बनिंग मफम दा थमजलदी ट्रैफिक के जाम होइबा हाइबदो मसाना ताबनी अदुना मणिपुर सरकारना सिदा गाड़ी थारो हारिबा मफम अदुदा फजना थारगा मफम मदुदा थमिरगा खोन लेंजलगा इसागी अपाम पामदा पोचैसिंग अदो लैबियु अदुगा लोइलना इसादी पॉकेट यारिबा पैसा नुंसा सिंग असे यामना सेक्शन ना पुबियु हाइबा वाफम असुमा आई मिपुम खुदि मफमदा निंचिंजरी.
Imphal West Police seized around 1,230 Lagao gambling dice from the Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals related to gambling in the various parts of Imphal West district. The gambling dice were produced before media at the Imphal West Police conference held today. Speaking to media, Additional SP S. Hemant said that 205 set of dice were seized by Imphal West Police, Traffic Police and other police wings since last week. Intimating that such drive will continue, Hemanta appreciated those who extended help in seizing the diocese. He further appealed to cooperate the police in curbing such social crimes.
Laiba Diwali amdi ningon chakauba yamna khoigi taru tayamba khoigi masuk machu phajaba festival ohenchi sigum lambal lagaw sanaraga thokpe aba crime sing paisa mangbai wafam akna tabada khoigi khana chainaba accident mayam do khoi kannana bani khoina honarisi masida khoigi yamna machu taba kumai fyong ohenchi hedna parvati gi su cooperation lojari ado loina na khoi laiba khoi festival sing haibadi Diwali ningon chakauba sing asida khoigi yamna shanti leiba nuai phaba Moresun wide na Queen in Palwis district Makaisu public ma'am the Queen wishes pijiri.
Lok Sabha MP Thokchom Mainya has stated that a finalization of Indo-Naga framework agreement might be delayed as discussions on the same in the parliament might be hindered in the view of the upcoming MP election. Thokchom Mainya was speaking to media at the sideline of the inaugural of a bridge built under Local Area Development Fund over Maklang River of Chakpafayegin in Far West District today. He said further discussion on the report submitted by the Parliamentary Standing Committee needs to be held in the Parliament. He added the Joint Parliamentary Committee will have its say on the content of the agreement. Ima Fawoibi Irat Thoni Lupt organized the event, which was attended by many people in the area. Federation of Haumi Hauleipak Manipur has demanded to revoke Manipur People's Bill 2018 regulation of non-Manipur people's entry into exit from Manipur, recently passed by Manipur State Assembly on July 23, stating that the bill has no significance in safeguarding the indigenous people of the state. Speaking to media at the Manipur Press Club this afternoon, President of a Federation of Haumi Hauleipak Manipur, Sapamcha Jadumani, stated that the State Assembly supposedly passed the bill for protecting the indigenous inhabitants of the state. He said the bill states any Kuki, any Mijo, Angami, Sema, Ralte, Sute as listed in the tribes list under Scheduled Tribe Order 1950. He also said it further includes Dhubi, Muchi, Dhobi, Ravivas, Namasudra, Patni and Sutradhar in the bill. Jadumani strongly condemned such inclusion of other communities in the bill apart from the indigenous inhabitants of the state and demanded exclusions of the outsiders from the bill at the earliest, citing that there are thousands of individuals belonging to Kuki and Mijo all over the world. He asks whether any Kuki, any Mijo mentioned in the Manipur People's Bill 2018 implies those Kukis and Mijos from across the world. He also said the Federation stands in the solidarity to the demands of Tangkhul Naga Unnao Long and Ansumd to strike off the clause in the bill which allows outsiders to purchase estates in Manipur. Jadumani demanded to either rectify the loopholes in the bill before its approval by the President or before the Winter Assembly session. He said the President and the relevant authorities will be apprised about the same. The Federation warns of unprecedented agitation if the state government fails to bring any closure to the matter.
The Manipur People's Bill 2018 Hariba Bill se Federation Homina reject tawi. Kari damta reject tawi no haibada mitop ta lam yon bagi ayaba yawi. Mitop na lam lay bagi ayaba yawi. Mitop po ngak thok na bagi damta ikoi iram dam kanjana bagi damta semi ba bill say the mitop ta lam yon bagi wa yaw ba daragadi bill se sanabam thokte. Bill say the any cookie any mizo yaw wishing se masi kakakita damni any mizo haibada daragadi particular pangedamni any cookie haida any cookie in the world more than 1 crore lay. Madu loina ba koi yellow mini haida ribra. Aduga mo Manipur sida laitaba Angami Sema Ralte Sulte hairiba singse masi koi exclude tawgudabani.
Joint Committee on the Inner Line Permit System JCILPS in a press release urged the state government to pass an ordinance to prevent influx of illegal migrants in the state while approval of the Manipur People's Bill 2018 by the President of India is underway. All the Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur has organized a one-day consultative meeting on the 3 different topics at Tribal Research Institute (TRI) in Chingmairong today. Resource persons gave insights on the amendment of Village Authority Act 1956, power and the function of ADCs, and separate budget for hills during the meeting. Peoples from different parts of the hilly regions of the state attended the meeting. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has extended financial assistance on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba to women undertaking cleanliness drives in the Kangla Laipham and to a 13-year-old bone marrow cancer daughter of a Khaidem Madan Kumar from the Lamlai Awang Laikai today. It may be mentioned that the minor's left leg was amputated on September 25 due to bone marrow cancer in Guwahati, and she is now walking with an artificial leg. The ministers presented 50,000 rupees for her education and assured to do the same in future. While extending the financial assistance at her residence in the Lamlai, Minister Karam Shyam expressed concern over the unpleasant background of Ningol Chakoba gift in the state against the innate meaning of Ningol Chakoba. He appealed to the people of the state to give intake the values of the festival by promoting love between brothers and sisters. The ministers extended financial assistance to 18 women for cleaning Kangla Laipham land.
Dipwali amadi Ningol Chakobuna lakpasida Manipur da lariba mama mapa aduga mabung mokpa adugi mathakta social organization kayana akoi Ningol singbu di chak kauduna mioi bagi nungsi bagi mariema sagalise ngasidi masi pitribigi mafam kayada maruina Manipuri singna khundaba jagada su pangthoi the human relationship ki oiba masin mokpa masi masan masi mane mayam nungsinabagi pangthoiba thoram sida ngasidi Ningol Chakobasi di lana lakpa yabagi dakina da hidanabagi magina adu happy ada happy ana tawriba singse masi akoi hidanabasi tokpa matam oire aduga akoi maruina Manipur da lariba Ningol singsingi mafamda di nungsibagi aduga jati maselgi marakta nungsi chanana hingminanabagi maruina social organization kayana lokhala ibasina maram oidana Ningol Chakobasi khwaidagi di maruiba festival ama ngasidi oire.
Former Deputy Chief Minister and CWC member Gai Khangam has greeted the people of the state, especially the Hindu community, on the occasion of Deepavali, the Festival of Lights. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC T.N. Hawkib also sent his heartiest greetings especially to Hindu communities of the state on the occasion of Deepavali. Northeast India Development Party in a press release greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Deepavali and Ningol Chakoba festival. Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park, Imapct, Manipur, in a press release wishes the women of the state on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Imapct urged everyone to make use of indigenous product as Ningol Chakoba gives. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization Women Wing in a press release also sent heartiest greeting on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur and United People's Front will jointly organize Chingtamd Ningol Chakoba at the Royal Palace of Manipur in Imphal East on November 9th. Manipur People's Party MPP held a political conference in connection with the upcoming 15th Lok Sabha election 2019 at Lilong Turil, Ahanbi today. Speaking in the conference, party president Jugendros assured that the issue in the state can only be resolved by a regional party. He also stated that in the upcoming Lok Sabha election for both inner and outer Manipur, candidates of MPP will contest elections for a better Manipur. Well, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the Great Bolshevik October Revolution Day observance by Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union. We will be back with the details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union MPPDU commemorates the Great Bolsheviks October Revolution at Manipur Press Club today. Taking part in the event, MPPDU President Comrade and Meghachandra said the event was held in the applications of the role of the leaders of Red October, Russia's urban workers, Bolsheviks and Vladimir Lenin during the October uprising and Vladimir Kopt in demolishing the monarchical form of government and bringing a socialist governance. Four people of the state were honored with various awards on the occasion. MPPDU's Best Journalist representing the Voice of People award was accorded to Imapct News editor Raj Nongtombam. Best Media Publisher award was accorded to Mayang Langbam Satyajit of Imphal Free Press. Best Pageant award were accorded to Managing Director of Langai Arun Kumar Telemt, and West RTI activist went to Wahengbam Joy Kumar.
17 gi 24 October da adugumagi force aduna kankalakpaduna adunga nongalakadadi November gi 3 oiba English calendar 25 oiba aduna punna hauraktana adugumba yamna khanachenedana adagi ihingna hingtanadana adugumba yamna komba barjagi ihaugi revolution da October revolution da raidana mai pakpagi adada jarning thongsing chenki lotki aduna adumai dawdana adondagi sabet state sagadabagi plan adu lakki adu ring thongdanga sit plan parama sabang thokcham 17 gi 24 October da adugumagi force aduna.
Taking part in the event, the West journalist over the Imapct News editor Raj Nongtombam asserted that the profession of media and journalism demands to bring up every issue of the state before the government. He maintained that it would be wrong to term those in the profession as against the government for bringing up people's issues. Raj reiterated that journalists and news agencies are neutral and do not side with any political party. He maintained that it is the core of the profession to raise the grievances of the public to an existing government led by any party.
Acam mana yang boleh mengajar kan? Suppress oppress tu ibu wasan tu. Kenapa suppress tu dia? Kenapa oppress tu dia? Atau jam na hingga. Atau jam na hingga itu na. Hantam tu pun maya pun lagi tu pun na. Kari pundri jana sum. Kalau hajar berwari media ki pun dah tu tu pun na. Kenapa tu lengak ku pun bagi na lengak ku sih lepas nanti lengak si aku lengak ni. Kisah lengak ni lengak ku nung sih. Miam ki lengak si miam ni tu sembel lengak ni na. Miam ni tu tu tahu maya tu kita. Government is young. Okay, the British media is a British home. Lenga amadi, miyang di marata thong sanhan bani miyang pamilya sini lenga pamilya sini. Adun swai jela kari ke topu yaga lenga ni view have si. Sikatane kuna haje jela doi tapi kanata yu di missions adi side look yu wa kusung ni lagi. Pudi side ay thing jabo side look targa suai di miyang di side terus jadi pudi marat play targa suai miyang di marata lagi jadi.
Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society Imapct has warned to withdraw Thangta in every events of the governments, including the upcoming Sangai Festival, if the Directorate of Education S conducts the written exams for recruitment of higher secondary school faculty on November 11th against the prior demands for inclusions of Thangta teachers. Speaking to media at the office of Imapct in the Palace compound, advisor of the society, Konsham Jitain, intimated that Thangta was included till higher secondary since 2013 after jointly approved by expert committee and syllabus committee, and students already started giving class 10 and 12 exams on earlier sessions. He said the government agreed to include Thangta teachers when the Imapct staged a series of agitations against the July 16th notification of recruitment of lecturers. He lamented that a new notification was released on November 3 to conduct the said examinations on November 11th against the earlier agreed upon terms. Detained demand the Education Department to postpone the examination. Imapct further warns of unprecedented agitation, including boycotting the examination if the government fails to give a reasonable reply by November 9th. Imapct also appeals to candidates giving the examination to support the course.
Manipur gi oiba Thangta gi subject sing asigi lecturer lobagi natraga graduate ki oja lobagi sabsaba lekhai ma tadri ki marak asida Manipur government ki lecturer lobagi sangyeng parikha from thaban chingba punama se lepi o haitana aikoina apin tawre amsu Manipur government tamadagi mari lene bese sangsing pire marak sida oja longnana bagi sangyeng parikha se laiba tang taranga ma thoida pangthokani haitana center sing lauthai Manipur ki thangta gi oja lecturer lobagi lekhai ma tadri ki marak asi phawbadi matam khragi oina matam kaktani yaithokpiu lagliba tang mapun phawbagi manungda Manipur ki thangta gi lup punamaki Manipur miyam gi interest yenglaga tongan tongan balupsing ki mexta natraga thangta gi mailin balupsing da haiba tang mapun phogi manungda thangta gi oja lobagi wafam lekhai ta bama wafam ma Manipur government ma ke gi thambiu.
The first Banana Festival Organizing Committee launched a 2-day first state-level banana festival at the common ground of Lonmai None in Tamenglong district today. Speaking in the event, MIDA Vice Chairman O Lukoi appealed to cultivate various fruits and vegetables as per the fertility of the soil at different parts of the state to boost incomes and to bring self-reliance. He opined that such activities will also develop work culture in the state, stating that a banana is a requisite fruit for any rituals and ceremony of Meitei community. Lukoi mentioned that banana is a healthy fruit. He hoped that the festival will make abundant bananas available for the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival of Meitei communities. He also wishes that the festival will enhance the closer ties between the hills and valley inhabitants. Altogether, 50 stalls selling varieties of bananas and other food items are opened in the festival. Manipur Farmed Enterprise Private Limited is organizing a farmers exhibition on November 11th at its complex in Hautal. The enterprise is also launching Mission the 27th, the very next day, to give awareness to Manipur farmers about multiple cropping and all year-round cultivation in the field. Speaking to media at its office complex, Chief de Mission and advisor of the enterprise, Salam Bharat Bhushan, intimated that greening the field all year round will not only ease unemployment problems but also add to the economy of the state. He asserted that farmers must be educated about the different cultivation techniques to avoid the trend of the working and resting every 6 months. Speaking on the occasion, the subject matter specialist in plant protection of KVK, Thoubald, Dr. Moirang Tem Thoitoi, gave insights on how to prevent fields from going purposeless for half a year.
Manipur ki population se some hengalakwa koi low uno farm area di swing hengalakta some liang na labor sigi matakta amuksu single cropping kadang tor tok thokpa asina sagi se mi lak trama pan thak na bidongta koi na cheng metric ton 60,000 daka lai matamda Manipur di putoi se na metric ton lising train choi trong doi katane Manipur da khwai di low bada daka lai base koi ising jine ising ji lai tamna moi chakre Kaman tauga ising je wali bese kaman tauga kari tau kaman tau mega kadage natagana ising likpo moham da kari pot thaga dage hese masi koi consist oiba ma watle Manipur da
ingtham dagi matam sida yam maru oiba yam interesting oiba khulai hai taraga di seri da leiba potato transplanter se potato planter di magi same spacing se akona hana calibrate tawraga made adjust tawrani aduga mafam du da thadaraga leibak sin khumjalam doini leibak na phajana mapung phana khumjalaba adugumba alu haibasi hayeng alu si tanu matam da numit mangana yeidramina alu asangba yawra alu asangba si karigumba yawrabadi magi mamit tu da leiribasi nuksa mangan yeidramina mat potato tuber mot hariga aduma tin singduna mangwanda marum koksan giba ngami aduna ne Manipur da alu phanayam na talaga sumayam mayumda phajana thamba ngamde.
Kabui Karimei formed the KKP in a press release informed that KKP and the United Kabui Northeast India's Kabui convention earlier scheduled for November will now be held at GM Hall on December 23 at 10:30 a.m. Weavers of the state were enlightened on the power loom during an exclusive awareness program entitled Power Loom Day today. The awareness program was held as a part of Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2018 at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboi, Khongnang Khong. 49 power looms were also distributed to weavers on the occasion. Speaking to media, Director of Handloom and Textile Lamley Khame disclosed that the government of India has sanctioned 201 power looms for weavers of the state, out of which 80 power looms have reached infalled. He also said that work shed for installing the power loom is under construction at Manipur Trade and Expo Center and will be completed soon. It may be recalled that the Directorate of Handloom and Textiles organized the 10th-day expo since November 5.
Problem si kay gidamak no natraga masi kana ban kay no aduga masi na mangja ban kay no kana ba pire sin na kana gidamak no habi matang da khanan na ba amadi problem si sudan leiraba akoi Manipur gi local gi entrepreneur sing chu yauna masi sir wafam khara thamgani haire ba sin na problem de si mapung oiba akoi gi problem khanan ne ba gi part ama oigani masi gi roina na akoi na problem masi sida hana na put na akoi ji problem si chani ga ama masi akoi na hana na selection loiraga government of India na su sanction torga leirabani.
Kanglei Inat Thangta Sindam Sanglain in a press release informed that Oja Hiramot Literature Award will be given in relation to the 6th death anniversary of renowned Manipuri martial art Thangta master Laitanthem Hiramot at the GM Hall on December 8. The award consists of 15,000 rupees cash, a certificate and a shawl. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar has assured of renovating all the government primary schools in Andhra constituency before the next academic session. He was speaking to media at the sideline of a foundation stone laying ceremony for the construction of a new building of a primary school in Yaripok Tulihal Mayailekai of Infant East today. Mentioning that schools above class 6 in Andhra constituencies were renovated under his initiative, Shyam Kumar assured of renovating all the primary schools in the constituencies which are in a deplorable condition before the next academic session. He assured of filing of adequate infrastructures of these schools and even to hire private teachers if need arises. The ministers also assured that Moirang Purild Model Residential School of Infant is constructed under the Ministry of Minority Affairs will be completed in near future.
6 to 12 paudi sengol lablo makongi 11 ji makongi class sengol hawdaba do yadabadagi asoba khak lakpadagi ngasidi whole andro gana laiba government gi primary school sinji kogi class modern education gi system sangdam nabada kg1 kg2 ana koi local gi volunteer khunasi hapsel lakanda kogi laiba urdu arabic hapsel lakanda high school asi yamna kogi government standard da sum sagda school ni school asi any funding dagi onema si misata hairaga magi fundagi kari fundagi yabra natraga government india gi misi minority dagi yabra natraga school asi atai yaraga yatagana MLA fundagi high school si building mathol si G+2 wangalakanda yamna standard da sagda school asi sesal hob nangnaba si February bhawta complete loisangani.
Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar also assured that all other developmental works, including repair of roads in Andhra constituency, will be completed within November this year. He was speaking at the sideline of the inaugural of Nongpok Kaithel Manbi and Moirang Puriel the Pannung Leikai Community Hall constructed under Local Area Development Fund today. The minister said there are 40 developmental works are currently underway in Andhra constituency under the funding of the centre. He also said a market will be constructed at a project estimate of 13.5 lakh rupees at Nongpok Kaithel Manbi at the earliest.
Isana sabanate mayam masajda sei manga gi democracy da vote giba vote hada giba adugi mapana sabanga mani MLA educated develop fallase praja gi maranne ana praja gi da sinaja bani aduna siumada leyo praja mayam se koi maramata ningma thungda mayam de lemba yai ningma thungda ai gi oiba isa gi oiba adu mayam kitang ngaibi ko koi laisang gumba community hall gumba school gumba hospital gumba ade agriculture gi marumang lambi sorok ki fadal loisala kan loirane handaki December de complete ai December dam hai lami thongdi pulap loirane si manungda di anu government city en biren onam si misal lucing government asida praja gi awon ba sakta mama purakpada Manipur se bharat ki state mayang nang mapang kami state mu wena hona bada lamdam se so title lai.
Successful students of Radiance Class 10 Scholarship Test held on October 16 to 23 at Machalaima School, the Palace Compound, were felicitated today. Speaking in the event, MLA School Thokchom Satyavarta encouraged the students to get proper education and make Manipur a better place. 5-year scholarship financial aids were presented to the students on the occasion. A state-level painting competition on the theme The Green Diwali, Healthy Diwali was held today. Sinailon Lupt, MPCB and RKCS in collaboration with many civil society organizations organized the competition at MIMS Hall of Manipur University. The event aims to avert the youth on environmental pollution caused by firecrackers during Diwali festivals and to encourage them to protect the environment. The painting competition was held in 3 categories of Class 1 to 6, Class 7 to 10 and an open leveled category. Speaking in the event, MPCV Chairman and Radha Kishore stressed on the role of youths in safeguarding the environment.
Irang tawdo madu nungai bani afabani haina naina khangini madu tawdine bang ngasai air pollution thokta ngasi jiwa panwa mayam sanga kaya akoi thado mo sakri si akoi su laina pakhan kaya akoi miu bi na sikari no ngasai akoi haksang sikari da sai aina holi bu sor aina sari bu chinjak aina thai bi sing masina digest tawkhaga e da sankhaga tongan tongan ma part sankhaga ai sa sari ne ba madu to hu chen ba sa salabadi ai hu do sankhaga dai ke do ba
Now the news from the world of sports. Final match of the 34th and Hazari and Dr. and Tombi state-level polo tournaments will be played on November 11th. In the first semi-final of the tournament played at Mapal Kangjibung Infalt today, ex-polo club Wangkai defeated Manipur Police Sports Club Team B 6-5. Players of ex-polo club Wangkai T.H. Jacob scored 3 goals, Eld Atangba, K. Jugendro and P. Ajit score 1 goal each. In the second semi-final of the tournament, players of Chinkai Hunba Polo Club's Team A Basanta scored 3 goals, T.H. Kawa scored 1 goal to defeat Manipur Police Sports Club Team A by 4-3. And entered the final. Altogether, 31 polo teams formed across the state are participating in the knock basis polo tournament under the age of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. In the final match, ex-polo club Wangkai will play against Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Team A. Neroka Football Club held Aizhol, the football club, to a goalless draw in the third match of I-League 2018-19 session today at the Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Aizhol. It was a slow start to the match in Aizhol as both teams focused on protecting their goals before going for attack. Neroka football clubs will debate against Real Kashmir at the TRC football ground on November 11th. Well, that's all we have in these bulletins, but before we end, let us look at the headlines once again. Diwali, the festival of light, is being celebrated with religious fervors in the state. Diwali and Ningol Chakoba Sofers throng Kwairambal Kai fail. Police seized 1,230 Lagao gambling dices from the festive fever gamblers in Imphal West District alone. Lok Sabha MP Thokchom Mainya hints delay in finalization of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. Federation of Haumi Hauleipak Manipur demands revocation of Manipur People's Bill 2018. And Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union commemorates the Great Bolsheviks October Revolution at Manipur Press Club today.